Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how we can fork the Scaffold-NFT repository to deploy customizable smart contracts alongside a customizable front end based on your front end requirements. So you can see here I have everything defaulted on the front end, just showing every attribute, every property of the NFT. And up at the top, I have the ability to toggle whatever I like, or toggle them back on. All right, so let's just dig in, get this running on your local computer, and have some fun. Okay, so the first step is let's head to github.com/hotmanix/scaffold-NFT. Then we're going to click on code, copy that Git URL, open up our terminal. I'm going to cd into documents. You can do this wherever you would like. I just prefer documents. Type git clone and then paste that URL. Cloning, wonderful. Cd into Scaffold-NFT. And I'm going to do this optional step, code dot, which will open the project in my Visual Studio Code. However, we're going to stay in the terminal. So if you open up Visual Studio Code, go ahead and open up a few terminals. I think we're going to need about 3 from this point on. So first up, let's do yarn to install all the packages. And while that's going on, let's take a closer look at what the layout is. So Scaffold-NFT is a fork of the Scaffold-ETH2 project. So it follows a lot of the methodologies used in that. You know, we got our classic Foundry project alongside a Next.js application. So let's open up the Foundry, just take a closer look around. We've got our Scaffold ERC 721 contract. And we can see we have these customizable parameters, name, symbol, URI, mint timestamps, mint price, and mint start index. And then if we open up script into the deploy script, we can see we're passing in our custom parameters. I provide you with an IPFS URL that I used in a previous project, which is what we saw earlier. However, you want to go ahead and set up a base URI for your project. Coming soon will be an application in this repository to upload your own NFT metadata. So stay tuned for that. And then I simply batch mint myself a lot of tokens. Okay, so yarn install worked properly. Another necessary step is we need to cd into packages and Foundry and call cp.env.example space .env. So simply copying the .env file. It's just an example. We don't need to fill any of this out, at least not right now. We can leave them as default values or undefined values. We just kind of need the existence of that .env for everything to work out properly. So let's return to the root directory and let's call yarn chain to start up our local Ethereum node. Call yarn deploy. It will download the necessary library packages for the Foundry project. And then it will run a compile, and then it will also go through with the deployment. So let's give it a second to do that. We're seeing waiting for receipts, transactions executed successfully. Wonderful. Okay. So then in the third terminal, yarn start. What this will do is start our Next.js application. And now we can return to our website, go to localhost 3000. Give it a second to load. I won't go too in-depth into the front-end code, but when it comes to interacting with your NFTs, luckily I kind of set you up with the no-code solution to kind of render what you want, customize it however you would like. But if you're savvy enough, you can dig into the code and kind of start messing around with things, getting the front end to really be what you would like. So, okay, we're greeted with test your local deployments at the testing grounds. So let's go to the testing grounds. And wonderful. We can see exactly what we saw before. We're seeing all of these NFTs. Great. And of course, everything is still toggleable. Maybe I just want the name and the image. Great. Cool. Alrighty. And it is mobile compatible as well. So it looks nice on mobile. So, okay. Get started building your own NFT projects, deploying them through Scaffold-NFT. Excited to see what you guys make. Thanks.